In today's video, we will learn about alloying. So, only a few metals are used commercially in their pure form, right? Generally, other elements are added to produce greater strength and to improve the corrosion resistance of some metals. The addition of other elements to a metal is called alloying, and the resulting material is called a alloy, right? For example, iron is the most widely used metal, but pure iron is soft and stretch very easily when hot. But when mixed with small quantities of carbon, around 0.05%, it becomes hard and strong. Iron containing 0.2 to 0.25% of carbon along with small quantities of other elements like manganese, silicon, phosphorus is known as steel, right? That means steel has around 0.2 to 2.5% of carbon here. Steel when mixed with nickel and chromium, it is called the stainless steel, which is very hard and does not rust also. In fact, properties of any metal can be changed if it is mixed with some other substances. The substances added may be some other metals or non-metals also. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of metal with other metals or the non-metals, right? Now, what is the method of preparation of alloy? So, the most common and oldest method performed by the heating the base metal beyond its melting point and then dissolving the other compounds in definite proportion into the molten mass of that metal and then cooling to room temperature. If one of the component of the alloy is mercury, it is called amalgam. That means the metal when dissolved or mixed with mercury, it forms an alloy that is known as amalgam. Or we can say that the alloys of mercury are known as amalgam, right? Now, what are the purpose of alloy? So, the first is increasing the stability. In most cases, the alloy is more stable than the primary metal. Therefore, alloy offers greater resistance to actions such as corrosion, wear and tear, etc. For example, iron or steel gets easily rusted. However, alloy steels such as stainless steel do not get rusted easily. Second purpose is to increase the hardness. Here, the hardness of pure gold is very low, while alloying gold with copper, it will increase the hardness of gold to make jewelries. Third purpose is to increase the tensile strength. Here, alloyed steel in general have greater tensile strength than iron. Therefore, alloyed steel are used for making axles and ball bearings. Right? Now, the fourth purpose is to lower the melting point. Normally, alloy has lower melting point than the pure metal. For example, solder, which is an alloy of tin and lead, has lower melting point than both the metals. Fifth purpose is the resistivity. It is reciprocal of electrical conductivity. The alloy of metals have greater resistivity than their constituent metals. Here in the table we can see some alloys like alloys of iron, that is stainless steel, alloy of copper, that is brass, then we have bronze, then we have German silver, alloys of aluminium is duralumin, then we have magnesium, then alloy of solder, or we can say that the alloy of lead is solder. Here the proportion or the percentage of different metals are written and the properties like steel has hard, tough and strong. Stainless steel is also tough, strong and high tensile strength and do not rust. Similarly, all the alloys have different properties and their different uses. I hope this topic is now clear to you. Thank you.